Hi, everyone. Brian from SparkCures here. It is Sunday, April 19th, and it's been just over a month now since our last update. And as I was getting ready to make this, I was thinking back to Friday, March 13th, and it's the day that we decided to start working remotely at SparkCures, and we're based out of Pittsburgh. And it was one of the first suspected cases of COVID in our area. And it seems quaint now, but we had decided to work from home for a week and kind of reassess and see where we were at the end of that. And we're coming into week 5 or 6 at this point. So we're coming to you today from a safe social distance. We hope everyone is safe and doing well. Some updates that we have on the COVID-19 situation in regards to clinical trial enrollment for patients. We wanted to let everybody know we've been getting a lot of calls. Are centers accepting or are clinical trials halted? What's happening? And is a broad statement, it's on a case by case basis, is really what we're saying. We are seeing some centers that have completely halted all enrollment, all new enrollment for myeloma clinical trials. We're seeing ones that are still going full steam ahead. The vast majority are really on a case by case basis. So, based on a patient's need, are there other options, standard of care, oral medications, things of that nature? So what we decided to do this past week, we started reaching out to centers and we're building out a custom COVID-19 page related to enrollment for clinical trials. And it's going to include a status board of each of these centers with one of three statuses: enrolling, case by case, and on hold. And we're doing this so that people can check this out every week on our weekly newsletter. We're going to have updates and alerts on that side. So as they go from case by case back to enrolling, or whatever status change exists out there, we're going to let people know. You can find that on our website. We'll have the link here as part of this video. The other thing we wanted to let everybody else out there know about was a new clinical trial, a really great effort and initiative from our friends over at HealthTree that is a myeloma COVID clinical trial. Now, you can learn more about this at healthtree.org, but the first 1,000 patients to sign up and enroll in this clinical trial, and it's all about surveying and questions on that side, but you get a free antibody test as part of that for COVID-19. So we're big fans of that, and I just wanted to share that the research, the study review board on this trial is made up of some really amazing myeloma docs, including Dr. Fonseca from Mayo, Dr. Faith Davies from NYU Langone, Dr. Borello, Dr. Ivan Borello from Johns Hopkins, Dr. Ola Landgren from Memorial Sloan Kettering, Dr. Costello at UCSD, and also Dr. Mike Thompson out of Aurora. So again, healthtree.org, you can check that out. We're going to be coming out with these updates on a week-to-week basis. We're launching right now with about a dozen or so centers, but we have about 20 more or so that we're going to be adding. So if you don't see your center on there, you can always give us a call. We're going to be adding more and more on that. Any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call. We're still here. We're still working. We are seeing patients going into clinical trials. And actually, we just had a patient that we connected with a couple days ago who was getting cells apheresed for a CAR T cell trial. So there is hope. There is movement out there. There is access to clinical trials. It's not always easy. It's not always clear cut, but we're going to help people navigate through this. Feel free to give us a call, 888-828-2206. Please stay safe and know that we're here for anything you might need. Okay, talk to you soon. Thanks.